everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Y Davis Designs on Etsy, and I will try to remember to link her below. But I am excited because she had some really cute, or a really cute kit that I wanted, or sticker sets. I don't even know if it's a kit or what, but you are awesome. Thank you for shopping small. Aw, that's sweet. You are very welcome. Thank you for having such a great store. This is not my first time ordering from her. Handmade planner supplies, vinyl stickers and crafts, custom orders welcome. Thank you, Tammy and Joy. Very pretty writing, so that's really cool. Be the reason someone smiles today. That's a nice thing to say. So I got some graduation stickers. I also got these stickers, which are pretty funny. Let's see, it says, the universe is responding to who you think you are. You are one tough woman, now go prove it. And be bad, and it's just great. I mean, it's just, I don't know, very confident and pro women, and I like that. So I got one for my daughter too. And then this looks like it's the freebie. And it says use the code Annie. So I wonder if she's coming out with an Annie stickers, because these are all red. Could. So she has Alice in Wonderland. And I'm not a huge Alice in Wonderland fan. I actually hadn't even seen the whole thing all the way through, but I have now. But I've seen, I guess I've seen the movie and the cartoon. I was talking more about the cartoon, but I really loved these stickers, so I thought that I needed to get them. It says, I give myself very good advice, but I very seldom follow it. It's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then. And it's always time for tea, and then of course the Eat Me, and there's the bunny and the Cheshire Cat. I mean, they're just so cute. She did such a good job on this kit. I just loved it. And there's the half boxes and the quarter boxes. And there are the check boxes. Adorable. And I loved the washi. Of course, it says we're all mad here. It's perfect. And then here are some more things. High priority this week, schedule next week. So I can write my son's schedule in there. And then there's cute functionals, the laundry, and there's another laundry, and planner, and that could be a planner or whatever. Order stickers, do comments, whatever. It could be lots of different things. Cute check boxes. I mean, this kit was just adorable, and I had to get it. So that is what I went in there for, and then I thought, well, I'm going to search and see if there's other things that I can find that I really like. But this is just so cute. So again, this is Y Davis Designs. I will try to remember to link her below, and I hope that you guys check her out because they are cute. So thanks so much, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.